2nd Street.
Attention everyone, if you have questions or need to...
There is a downtown express train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Please step aside and let the customers off the train first.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad and Metro North.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Please step aside and let the
This is a Bowling Green bound 5 express train.
The next stop is
14th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.